Hi guys, picked this one up in a charity shop today. Cost me £1. I've already shown that I put some fresh batteries in it and nothing happened. So we will take it apart. Paladone. Well, I'm rather pleased with myself. Having taken that off, cleaned the contacts, put it back on again, we have a display. Light on. Yeah, looks like we'll be able to go through and set all that up. Okay, I'll put it back together and then we'll try resetting it. Hold the hour button in. Okay. If I press the minute button, that changes it. Yeah, got that. So we'll leave it on 24, press it again. I'm now changing the hour. So it's 19. And then press it again. Minutes. 1922 according to me. Press it again. And we've set the clock. Alarm on, alarm off. Oh, so if we hold, well, there we are, there's the alarm. Hold the hour button in. Yeah, we could change the hours, but we're not going to do that. I'm not going to bother setting the alarm. Okay, so we're on the clock. We could have the alarm. That button there turns the alarm on or off. And the light will go out eventually. There we go. So press that button, light comes on. Come on, you worked for me just now. There we are. So what we'll go and do is just see what that's actually displaying, whether it's displaying the time and date or just the logo. Right, relatively dark in here. Press that button. Where are we? Oh, we've got the time and date in the middle of the logo. Oh, wow. Oh, brilliant. Out of focus on the camera. Can I focus? Yeah, that's a bit better. Yeah. All right. Well, fully working now for £1. Just for those people who ask, that's what I sprayed the contacts with. Contact cleaner. And rubbed it with a cotton bud. And that seems to have done the job. Not quite dark enough yet, still got the sunshine shining through the red curtains, but we can compare it to the other projection clocks that I've got. I'll do a shot later tonight for the thumbnail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.